Okay, so in the last video we have designed our logo and now we are going to customize our theme. So we will click on customize, and first of all we have the announcement bar and then we have this header. So we will set up the header and announcement bar in this video. So when you open the customizer mode, here you see a sidebar where you can see announcement bar and header, both of these. And if you want to customize this text, so you can just click over here and here you can change the text, like we can say avail 10% discount or 10% off this Black Friday, or maybe this Valentine's. So that's how we can customize, and we can add offers in the announcement bar. And here we can also go to announcement bar and we can change the color. For example, we can make it blue so it's highlighted, or we can make it black so it's more prominent. So we can add an offer in the announcement bar to create a sense of urgency in the user, so they will likely make more purchases. And here next we have the header, and here we can add the menu, which you can see when you click over here. So this is actually like a tablet mode that is showing because I have zoomed in. So that's how the desktop will look like. So here we have the menu and here we have the logo. So to change the menu we just need to go to header, and here we can change the menu. Currently these three items are added in the menu. So we will see how we can create a new menu later on in this course. To add the logo in the header, we need to go to settings, add logo, and here we will have to upload the logo that we created in the last video. Add image. So here the logo is uploading. We will click on done, and here we need to add a fav icon that shows over here. So if you want to create a fav icon, you can just go to my YouTube channel, or maybe you can just go to YouTube and type favicon km Webverse. So you will see my different videos on fav icon that I have already created. So here you can see how to make a fav icon for your website. It's already a detailed video. So let me close it and I will click on save for now. We can also increase its width so it will be more prominent, and we can go back, and that's it for our header and the announcement bar. Later on we will see how we can create a menu when we will create new pages and categories for our store. That's it for the video. Like this video and subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment so my video will be reached to more viewers like you. This will help YouTube recommend my channel to more viewers. Thank you for helping me grow. See you next time.